How's it going?
Well, how you doing?
Pretty great, man.
Beautiful day. Got the right gear.
Whew, it is windy. Feed the squirrels. They bite. Guys, this is awesome. Feeling great.
That's pretty cool. 10 feet, I think.
Jeez, what a tourist. Oh man, that is a good picture right here. Frame that rock and
Yeah, like right in between them.
yeah.
Send that with National Geographic.
That's a good idea. It's not your pacemaker, is it?
Oh no, okay.
So you guys go ahead and tell us where it's bad.
Just put. Oh my God, we're gonna be here all night.
Is that recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Come on, man. Gotta get the good stuff.
You could just leave it like that.
Look like one of those sock things at the mattress stores where
It's
they.
a hard knock life. Come on, Austin Powers. Get that little mini me. There you go. It's perfect. You look like a dork. Let's go.
Big old white tag hanging out the back, too.
Will you let me rip that off? It's bugging the hell out of me.
You could cut it off.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Wait, did you just rip my back? Oh, shit. What the heck, man?